been to Chicago, you have to know something about the Sears Tower itself. So the Sears Tower, AKA the Willis Tower, 1973, a modernist, just the cake style building from Bruce Graham and Fazlur Khan. So Fazlur Khan and Bruce Graham, I always tell people on my tours, they were kind of like the Batman and Robin of 20th century American architecture. They did the Sears Tower together, they did the John Hancock Center together, they did all these big buildings together. Fazlur Khan is buried in Chicago. His grave is that top left. And then Bruce Graham is actually buried in Florida, but he has a memorial right next to Fazlur Khan's grave, just so that even in death, they are like the dynamic duo, which I think. And so recently, they have added on this several story tall, sort of mixed commercial use space that has restaurants, that has stores. And even though the building is no longer officially called the Sears Tower for now, they did decide to name this entire addition Catalog as a fun little historic reference to the Sears catalog.